been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tussies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby that going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your Money Records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as you can go leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna be what I do, tryna steal my moves. 2,500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same price I can make them youngins come and finish you. Though you being charged, he'll do it like it's voodoo. Real dope boy, 100,000 in his visa. President's attention, slide by, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like I'm from the 80s. Man, Dre about to drop, man, they gon' go crazy. They know I'm the truth, coming straight from the basement. I'm straight as a squeak, man, I'm far from the pavement. A million or hundreds, it make them go crazy. Wham, 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 on them baby. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as you can come leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going all the way. When you're living like this, they supposed to stay. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as you can come leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going all the way. When you're living like this, they supposed to stay.
Whoa. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Ooh. Walk it like I talk it. You walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Ooh. Walk it like I talk it. Hey, take my shoes and walk a mile, something that you can't do. Hey, big talks of the town, big boy game moves, swing moves. I like to walk around, put my chain loose. She just bought a new ass, but got the same booze. Whip it up, dope science. Whip it up, cook it up, That's my sauce where you find it. That's my sauce. Look it up, find it. Adding up chicks don't mind us. Add it up, yeah. Get your respect in diamonds. I bought a plain Jane Roller. These niggas bought they fame. I think my back got scoliosis cause I swerved the lane. Heard you signed your life for that brand new chain. I heard. Think it came with stripes, but you ain't straight with the game. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Ooh. Walk it like I talk it. You walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Ooh. Walk it like I talk it. Hey, I gotta stay in my zone. Say that we been beefing, dog, but you on your own. First night she gon' let me fuck 'cause we grown. I hit her, gave her back to the city. She home. She at home now. That was that, so I can't be beefing with no whack nigga. Got no backbone. Heard you living in a mansion and all your raps though. But your shit look like the trap on his Google Maps though. We been brothers since Versace Bando. Whoa, name ringing like Amigo trap phone. Whoa, used to be with Vashti and Santos. That's on Tommy Campos. We live like Sopranos, and I walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Ooh. Walk it like I talk it. You walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Ooh. Walk it like I talk it. Hey, niggas pocket, watch it. I want that dish, that menage. Which one? I bought a franchise to double up the profit. We make a landslide, chopper get the profit. Elliot got me pocket, pour socket, chicken teriyaki. Take off rocket, keep them in pocket. Water gon' lock, quadruple the profit. I walk like I walk, talk like I talk. Was in my vault, load the cash in the sauce. I put a lamp in my loft. She cook up and chat with the phone. By the pair, I got carrots that show. By the pair, I got carrots each load. Profit like profit just round the globe. Hit a bitch, hit a lick with the Joe. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Ooh. Walk it like
Yo, yo, yo.
walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Ooh. Walk it like I talk it. Hey.
What up, chat? Sheesh. Let's get into it. Who's ready for a fire new week? What up? What up? Hugo plays. Alexander the Piyush. Tim Vaughn, what's good, brother? Hayes Monk. Athena, what's up? Thank you for being here. Hope you're doing well. JJ Rango, Monk or Jill. Good to see you guys. Thank you guys for being here. We're gonna break down everything. If you guys need anything, obviously, let me know. One of them nights, chat. All right. There's one thing we got to go over first and foremost. Who here in the chat knew that London session opens at 1 a.m. now? Usually it's noon. Not noon. Midnight? For me? And it's going to be 1 a.m. till tomorrow. Yeah, so, it's just annoying. I obviously knew, but it's just, I'm more just reminding you guys. So we have time to be on here, guys. So like usually I get on here at 11 and then by midnight, London session opens, but they had their time change already. So it moved back an hour for us. But next week we do our time change. So we're going to go, forward and or backwards and fucking, you know how that works. I think we should just quit that shit. I thought we quit it. I thought like 3 years ago, like we quit daylight savings, but I guess like we still do it. Okay. Oh, good. All right. Enough with that. Let's break down GJ, guys. So it's this is the first stream of the week. What we're going to do first is go out to the weekly time frame, and we can actually go to the monthly because the monthly is actually about to close because it is the 28th of October. So if we go out to the monthly time frame, first thing I love to see is that like if you really zoom out, big kind of W, but when we moved up and broke and closed above these highs, what happened directly after was a little bit of a break and retest. You see, broke above here, came back down with a fat impulse, had a kind of a doji candle and then a bullish doji, and then this last monthly we're closing bullish above this last monthly candle. So let's zoom in even more. You guys can see here, this candle is engulfing this previous candle. So because we're going to get the closure in the next like 3 days, on the fourth day, I think what price is going to do is open up, give us a bottom wick, and then flip bullish and then have another bullish candle. So next monthly, you guys heard it here first, Luca.NoLimit is looking for buys. Let's go on to the daily from there after the monthly. When I was looking at the daily earlier, I mean, you could see there's no top wick. That's a really good thing for a lot of us to be paying attention to. Why? Because we had this big push up and we've kind of corrected. I mean, I guess we're kind of retracing back in the 50% of this move, but I overall still think that we're kind of been bullish. I don't really want to just anticipate the sells yet. What I like about this is if you think about it, we had a gap up on this last daily over the weekend, had a bullish candle, and now we have no top wick, create a big bottom wick on the daily. So if we drop it on the 4 hour, you could see here that this is the gap that's been created, and I think that price is just pulling back to kind of slingshot back up. You guys can see right here, if this gap wasn't here, this would be the impulse, and it's us reacting off this whole impulse leg to continue up. We can draw a trend line even like this. I think we're gonna get a bullish move up, hopefully. Oh, that was not what I meant to do. This one, something like that. 15-minute. No major like demand on the 15-minute. So I'm more just looking for liquidity to be taken out at this point because all the demands, none are really like sticking out that much. A lot of them have gotten liquidated. This one's been touched. This one's been touched. So none of them are there. I'm really looking for price action with these highs and lows. We're already taking out the, the lows of the session. Definitely gonna be taking Keep an eye on it. Keeping an eye on it. I'm just gonna mark up this demand right here. Set an alert. And the reason why is you guys can see this supply here. So I don't really want to take these cells. Like I don't really want to take these cells off the supply. No really highs being taken out into here that I want to take. So what I want is for price to come out of this, the demand, because if this, like this demand shouldn't hold if this is like the true supply to then continue lower like this. So we could potentially wait for this down here. And at that time, it's basically the start of a W. And then what happens when we get that W double bottom? Leads to a new high. So definitely pay attention to that. Reading the chat. All right, but also in consideration of the elections, bro, next month gonna be crazy. Yeah, it is gonna be crazy, but you also have to think that it is GBPJPY. It's not a USD pair, but I definitely understand what you mean. All right, let's go over to gold. Gold position of last week ended up playing out. All right, go out to the monthly on gold. You guys already know that we've been nothing but bullish pushing up. We're about to get a closure of like there's been no, I guess it kind of stalled out here, but other than that, the last 1, 2, 3, 4 months has all closed above previous highs, which has made it clearly a bullish market. If we go to the daily, you can see here it had that pullback that I kind of liked also on GJ, where we had the impulse, created kind of the doji, and then broke highs to the top side to continue. Drop down to like the 4 hour. We've now come up to this high and we're starting to reject. So I would want to see some liquidity being taken out in that area. If not, we can get a retracement to continue higher. Even on the hourly, this is the whole impulse. I like it from this low. The reason I like the drawing the fib kind of from this low is that this also is in confluence with the Asia session lows. So if we get a pullback, hopefully we can even take out the Asia lows within here to get the distribute back up. I just need some sort of liquidity to be taken. Come to Toronto. Bro, I'd love to come to Toronto. I've heard good things. So what about Euro USD? I can go over Euro USD as well. I'm gonna go over everything, guys. You guys can put it in the chat. Just so far on gold, I'd say, you know, unless you want to short from this area, I just think we're pretty bullish to short. I just need some sort of pullback. I don't want to buy this high, but I also want to short because we're in a, you know, bullish market. GJ. Pullback, continue. I think fibbing up this didn't really necessarily like completely break structure, but easy. For how I changed my fib to, all right, let's go over it. Go to settings and then I know that you have a background right here. Or actually, I think there's like one that I know that you have like the background. It's a shade, coordinates, visibility. I think that's where it comes from. But other than that, these are like the colors I use. You guys can screenshot. Just yellow, blue on the 786. The yellow here. This is how y'all can do it. Good morning, NLT Jacko. Is it Jaco or Jacko? I'm guessing it's Jacko. Jaco. Like the live, y'all. Make sure you guys like it. 40 of y'all, only 13 likes. I screenshot. I'm gonna change up right now. I appreciate you. Yes, sir, my boy. Keep putting that work. All right. Someone said Euro USD. I kind of want to go over GU first. Sorry. Oh, actually, no. Look at Euro USD. Looks fire. Did I sweep that low? Oh no. Just kidding. So close. Nice equal bottoms. Okay, boom. I did a. You did a likey. Thanks for liking it, bro. So like we're in a bullish, we're in a bearish market on EU. Easiest way to kind of show is that you can see here, bearish move, pull back to equilibrium. And by the way, I mean, let's check it out. I hope you guys realize whenever these moves happen, these distributions, we're getting pullbacks to discount each time. This is the distribution. Fib it up, high to low, pull back up, rejection, continue. All right. So boom. That one was done. Oh, wait, it's up here. Let's go to the next one. Next impulse down here. However you want to do it. Even if you want to do this whole one, no matter how you want to do it, these fibs play out wherever you want to see it. Pull down, push back up in the golden zone, continuation. The reason I'm showing you that is if we go down to current price, we have a new, I mean, you see this leg right here, pull back up, rejected again, can fib it up again like this, and we had a pull back up, rejection off 786, and we're continuing down again. So with that in mind, looking at kind of current price, I would say this is its own fib level on the hourly, but it doesn't look that clean on the hourly, so I dropped down to the 15 minute. And I would draw from, I mean, you do from kind of this high, Asia high to the low. And now you're just waiting for a little bit of a pullback into discount to sell some more. That's what I would wait for on EU. Does that make sense? Put W in the chat. That makes sense to all y'all. W's, W's, W's. I said W's in the chat. Let me go check on the chat. Hello, hello, hello. Let me go check on the chat. Hello, hello, hello. Alright, I basically caught up. Alright, so one thing I just want to, you know, put out there, guys, is I'm a big believer in premium and discount. You know, I don't like buying too high, I don't like selling too low. Looking for, you know, price to be in a certain area that I'm interested in. Point of interest to take the trades. That was EU. GU on the other hand, that wasn't a trade I was looking at. That's was for the mentorship earlier. We were doing practicing pip counts and that type of thing. Bro, it was so crazy. Everyone who's on the Zoom call right now. Oh wait, I saw Lewis said something up here on. Is the Sunday open of GJ considered a fair value gap, the blank spot? It's more of a gap. A gap and a fair value gap are kind of different because, like, when a fair value gap occurs, it's like a gap between two neighboring candles, not like an actual gap in the market where there's like no candles in between. But more often than not, a lot of the things, what's it called? A lot of the like there's a lot of people who trade gaps. I don't trade them because I don't really believe in them. But like I remember there's a signal group back when I first was starting to trade. And every Sunday we would get there at market open, and like if price gapped up, we would try to like sell it to fill the gap. And like that was just gambling, because like yes, sometimes it would fill the gap, but then sometimes it wouldn't. So then I started thinking about it like more and more and more often. I was like, huh, it's either gonna fill the gap or not. But that's just 50-50, which is just, that's just gambling. That's just, you know what I'm saying? Like that's just not really real trade. And I was like, huh. More of just like a guess game. Like it's either gonna fill the gap or it's not. But holding a sell for a few days, that's just swing trading. I don't, you know, I don't hold for very long, but there's one interesting thing on GJ that GU that I already see with my eyes. I see this huge downtrend, but anyone who knows me is that when I see the last leg get, you know, liquidated, you see here, and then an immediate push up, I start looking for more breaks of structure. So you see here, when we pushed up, we broke and closed above up here. And I want to ask you guys, why is it important that we closed up above these levels? Someone tell me. I know you guys know. Why is that interesting to me? Liquidity? Nope. Nope. Liquidation? No, that's why I love it. See? We're here to learn stuff. We're here to learn. We're here to learn. Retest for sell? Nope. Seller stopped? Yeah. We can, you know, like you guys are saying liquidity. Bro, Daniel Castillo, bro, are you always on the lives or something? Because like I won't see you for weeks or for months, and then I'll ask a question and you'll just be there to answer it. Stop cheating. Stop cheating. Stop coming in whenever, you know, he's like Superman. He's just there when you need him. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, Bridget got it too. Change of trend. Exactly. So let's go over the reason for it, guys. Why this is important to me is this is the last kind of supply or like lower high that led to the lower low. So you guys look here, you know, going down up here was a lower high. When we broke here, ended up coming down, creating a lower low, came up, lower high, broke this, that's a lower low, came up, lower high, and then this was the push down that created this lower low, right? So now that we've kind of created lows, right, respected, came up, we've now actually broken market structure to the upside and then pushed back down and even taken out these lows, while then also coming up and like breaking structure again. So with all that being said, I mean, frick, look at my chart real quick. I'm Picasso in this bitch, you know what I'm saying? Look at that shit, I just be drawing. But the reason why that's important is that we were bearish, but right here, this bullish break of structure, then establishing new support and breaking structure again. What I want to basically do at this point now is look a little closer and identify, well, we've gone the change of character already, and then we also liquidated the end to a new higher high. I actually want to fib up this low to this high and look for a potential entry down in this area, which, you know, honestly, it's kind of in a nice area of interest. I'd say this demand would be kind of the last little thing I would look for. But I kind of like this. I can't even lie. What do y'all think, chat? W's? L's? L's, W's? 618? Yeah, it's on the golden zone, kind of. Does that make sense to everyone? be pullback continue. There's nice highs up here though, so like low key I could see this going long to come take out the Asia highs. Not ready. Need new news. Maywick, yep. Big news in the morning? Yes. Yes, makes more sense. Awesome, Athena. Sweet. Good job, Bridget. Bridget, how are you? How's your day going? I love hamburgers. You're not really milking G at all. I'm good. How are you? I'm pretty good. Was at the gym for a while today. I played a lot of pickleball. I played like 2.5 hours of pickleball. Like, who the fuck do I think I am? But that was after I worked out, so I got to work out and I did that. Working on a new YouTube video for you guys. I've been slacking on that, but it's just because the same video I've been wanting to put out. I've been kind of perfecting it, but it's a pretty good breakdown and everything. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Damn, GA. Yo. What's up with GA? Have you guys not been seeing this? Holy shit. What the distribution? Bro, if you got into buys down here, you could even get into some like swing trade buys type shit. Just even if you bought above this high, you'd have a huge ass stop loss below this low. Even like that low or even these ultimate lows. And that's still like a big ass move. And that's with like almost a 50 pip stop loss on GA. Like that's pretty ridiculous. Look at this playing out though. I wonder if it's playing off of just fib levels. Let's see if we're getting. Yeah, look at that. 50% impulse. Let's move it up. Here. You see here, we got a 62% retracement impulse. Give it back up. We've gotten the push up and we're just now about to get back into discount. So I will mark up this level of demand and I will set an alert right above the 62%, which is the golden zone. Because yes, you could try to be one of those traders that just like is like, oh, it's so overbought, so I want to sell it right now. But no, just follow the structure, wait for the little pullback, reject, and go. You feel me, capiche? I like Percocet. Yeah. Yeah. We're on a discount. So let's break down the DXY and also the JPY basket, guys. So if we look over at the DXY, let's go to the hourly. We've had the big push up, came down and established new support, pulled back up, and we failed to make new highs above. Wait, did we? Oh no, we swept it. So it looks like we actually did sweep this recent, or not the recent high, but the higher high that was created. And now we've had this big impulse down. So because we've actually swept that high, what we can anticipate if we wanted to consider this bearish is draw a bearish fib. Where at that point, you could see we're just now pulling back into discount at 50%. I would ultimately wait for a higher or a bigger pullback. So you can see here that there is London highs right here. You know, I hope you guys can see that right here. London highs. So a pullback, take out those highs to continue down. Oh shit. Oh my god. Is could be good. A would doing the same. Oh shit. Something's going on in Australia. But this goes to show, guys, one of the things that I always tell people is that first off is you should only focus on like 1 to 2 at max, maybe 3 pairs. Like to me, my 3 pairs right now is GJ, gold, and NASDAQ. Those are like the 3 pairs I've mostly been trading. But when I'm talking about that, what's also important to understand is that the reason why I trade pairs like gold or NASDAQ, I guess GJ doesn't really help my case what I'm about to say. When it comes to GU and EU, I like trading pairs that I know what's going on in that country. You know what I'm saying? If I'm in America, I know when the election's coming out. I know when Jerome Powell's going to speak. But if there's some shit popping off in, you know, Australia and there's a bunch of kangaroos taking over and, you know, the new senator is freaking Crocodile Dundee, you know, whoever, I wouldn't even know. Cause I'm out here chilling in Cali. Feet up, no kangaroos type shit. Y'all catch my drift or what? Pay attention to what's going on in your jurisdiction. Does that make sense? Put a 44 in the chat. Everyone put 44s in the chat if you pick up my drift. So I don't think I'm crazy. So maybe I'll probably just laugh. Some of you will probably watch because you think that I'm a good trader, and then other of you guys watch because you think I have autism and you just want to be nice. Which, like, you know, I love you both. Both y'all support me in different ways. So, yeah, I hate it. Ophelia, you've been on my mind since the flood. I don't even have I don't even play music. I'm just playing music for you guys right now. I'd be singing my own shit. Maybe both, bro. Come on. You're gonna do me dirty like that? You're saying I'm fucking... I have autism? Bro really just told me he thinks I have autism. Which is chill. I don't know, I probably do. I got something. Kidding. Totally kidding. Alright guys, AU. Similar thing, Lewis pointed it out. Box of kangaroo, I know bro, but maybe for the stream. Similar thing to GA, but on AUD USD reverse, because it's going for the sells, as you can see here, just fib levels playing out. Continuing lower. XAU is at a double bottom, wait for a pullback on it. Let's go see. It's cute. You like to wear my chains with so much pride. It's cute. Bro, this song's... Oh, I turned it down for you guys because I can't. Bro, YouTube needs to make it so I can play bangers for you guys. Swear to God. Wild, wild. What's up, Matt? What's up, gangsta? To me, this is ugly. I don't want to trade that. USD CAD's on my no zone. Wait, let me pull up. I saw Ollie was live. Ollie trades. What pair is he looking at? Can't even see. Damn, this stream looks lit. I can't even lie. What about dollar? What are the boys looking at? Any of the boys looking at good trades? Oh, he's not even freaking live. Streamed 21 minutes ago. Come on. I'm sick but still here. Hey, that's putting that in that extra work. That's putting that OT. Good shit, bro. Appreciate you for being here. You want me to order you some soup? Or some shit? Any Kenyans in here? Bro, I'm right here. Come on now. Wait, can you guys hear me on the stream? Or did the stream just end? I rolled the dice. Bro. Oh. Bro. You just everything notice, huh? My back chat? What the fuck happened? Where's my phone? What's crazy is whenever that happens, that means that the whole last part of the stream won't even be there. Let me talk. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, now it's like delayed a little bit. Oh my god, it's so annoying. Damn. Look at GU. Opening, you noticed it. Yeah, I'm sorry the stream crashed, chat. I really have no idea. It's not even a Wi-Fi thing or anything. I think my PC is just like on some like crack or something. Can y'all hear me or no? New soon? Where? Oh, Euro. 2 minutes. Looks like we have some Euro high impact. Is that what you were talking about, JJ Ringo? So basically it is it's telling you right here, a higher than expected figure should be seen as positive for the euro, while a lower than expected figure should be seen as negative. So if you go over here, you can see it's telling you that the consensus is 20.5, the previous is 21.2. So if it comes out greater than negative 20.5, that means that it would be positive for the currency. If it comes out minus, that means it would be negative for the currency. So why that is important is that because we know it's a euro pair, we can then go over to pairs that involve it and such, and then find an edge of the market of where price is most likely going to be heading overnight. Throughout London into New York, probably New York even on, you know, when it's bigger actual big news events, you know. One minute delay, that's super annoying. Who's still here rocking with me, guys? If you guys are here on the Zoom, not on the Zoom, on the live stream, throw a W in the chat. Throw a freaking W in the chat. UJ. Thank you guys for the W's. Gold? I'm still not seeing much. Out of anything, I'd say that GU was the one. Still could be the one. I want to see it coming down. Establish a low. That's what I'm gonna wait for. Okay, NASDAQ. Why is the stream running so fast? What do you mean running so fast? trending behind. Yuri Wagwan, what's up, brother? The stream's all fucked right now. I fucked it up. So it's hella behind, but I'm gonna get out here in a second anyways. Yeah, nothing's really sticking out too much anyways. J. I just have to keep pressing live again and again to match the speed. Yeah, my bad, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna get out here in a second. That's my bad. I don't know why that happens sometimes when my OBS doesn't connect to the actual stream. But guys, this is just the first stream of the week. We're gonna be back tomorrow, getting into the week more. You guys have to remember that London is not for another hour, so we have some time while move's still set up. Out of all the pairs, I already told you guys that GU looks the most probable. Why? Because we broke down the whole breaking structure to the upside, pulling back, sweeping liquidity, and breaking structure again. So I'm looking for the retracement into a level like this, trendline break, and now I'm waiting for a slight retracement down into here, because you got to think. Imagine you try to buy right here, profit a little bit, continues down, hit your stop loss. Buy right here, continue down, hit your stop loss. So how do you counter that? You actually wait for it to come down. You see where it comes down to. Wait for that low to get created, and then wait for the bounce. Profile watching 0.5. USD cat about a mil. It's respecting the 4-hour key. I'll have to see. But like I said, the stream is behind. So if you guys heard what I just said, and you guys are still here, put some 33s in the chat. 33 Larry, or I was gonna say 33 Larry Bird. Yeah, no, he's 33. I was tripping. 33 Larry Bird. Stream messed up because Salva not here, literally. Hello? I thought the stream was over. Now it's still on.
Hello? I thought this
Or is it not?
on. Hello? I thought this. Or is it not? On. Hello? I thought this.
So confused. That's my cue to get out of here, chat. I don't know what's happening, but I appreciate y'all. Thank you all for a great night. I'll be back at it tomorrow. If you guys want to trade with me tonight, you guys just join the Signal group. That's where I'll be trading at. So I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in, and I'll see you guys back tomorrow. Peace out, chat.